Hey everyone, Casey here from Rhino Networks. Today we're going to be unboxing the Meraki MT10, a compact and powerful sensor designed to help you monitor environmental conditions in real time. Whether you're looking to protect sensitive equipment or ensure optimal conditions for your workspace, the MT10 has you covered. Let's dive in and take a look at what makes this sensor so valuable for your business or organization. First, let's open up the box. Inside you'll find the MT10 sensor, 2 AA batteries, the mounting kit, and a quick start guide. The MT10 is designed to be incredibly easy to install with no wiring required. You can mount it just about anywhere using adhesive strips or screws, and it connects wirelessly and securely to your Meraki network via Bluetooth Low Energy and Trust Anchor module, making setup fast and hassle-free. The MT10 is all about environmental monitoring. It measures temperature and humidity, which are crucial for keeping tabs on conditions in server rooms, storage areas, or any environment where climate control is key. With a compact and discreet form factor, the MT10 can be placed in any location where you need to monitor conditions without taking up too much space. Now let's talk about what really makes the MT10 stand out. It's real-time monitoring and integration with the Meraki dashboard. From your dashboard, you can view live environmental data and set up custom alerts that notify you if temperature or humidity levels go outside their ideal range. Whether you're managing IT infrastructure or monitoring storage conditions, you'll always stay in the loop. And with automatic over-the-air updates, the MT10 will always stay up to date with the latest features and security enhancements, ensuring your system is as reliable and secure as possible. To summarize, the Meraki MT10 is a must-have tool for anyone looking to monitor environmental conditions with ease. Whether you're protecting sensitive equipment or maintaining optimal work environments, the MT10 delivers the insights you need to keep things running smoothly. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.